Welcome back, guys.
Is this a mukbang?
This is not a mukbang.
We're
just showing you our food haul.
Yeah.
So we have Jollibee, as you can see here.
This
Very
Patagi.
popular. Patagi.
Patagi.
This is a very popular fast food chain in the Philippines.
Yeah.
And we have here toys
Toys.
from Jollibee.
It's quite cute. It's inside the carton.
Yeah. And here, the box you can see on the side. It says here that you can become a member of the Jollibee Kids Club.
Yeah.
All the instructions are here. And then the characters, different characters, of course.
Yeah.
Jollibee himself. And front space. And there, you can download the Jolly Dance Showdown app.
Ooh, yeah. It's quite cool.
It's available on both Google Play and iOS. Okay, so we'll put these food aside for a while. And
Yeah,
then
we'll eat it later. So that we can show you
and not
that.
all of this we're gonna eat.
I'm
Ella and
gonna
I.
eat
We have to share it. We have to share it, Ella.
Fine.
Okay. And
We're so excited to
Yes.
see and check out the toys.
okay, so we have the box here. What are you doing, Ella?
And dancing.
With joy?
Yes.
Because of the chicken joy? Yes.
I
Alright.
see what you put there.
Yeah. What a fun.
Okay. Let's go.
Yes. So we have it here in the box. We have 6 here actually, but there's only 5 to collect. So always with toys, there's a...
Is it open?
Yeah, it is kind of open.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a choking hazard.
Okay.
Small parts. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
6. I think is there no
There, you can reuse this box because there's like a game inside. There's
twister? Finger
Yeah.
twister?
Jollibee
so
finger twister.
so like
Yeah, you can do
twister.
that. You can
but
use
with-
the box.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, but using your fingers only. So here we have Patty. Patty the spaghetti.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
She's the one with the pigtails.
Yeah,
I mean,
this is her.
I thought her hair was brown.
And there's of course.
Oh, we had it.
Yeah, we have 2 because
Okay.
there's only 5 to collect, but we ordered 6.
Okay.
Yeah, which there's 6 of us here. And Jollibee. So we have 2 of those.
Another Jollibee.
Another Jollibee. And there's Twirly.
Twirly.
Yeah, the ice cream.
Yeah. And then Yum.
Yes,
The Yum Burger.
From the Yum Burger. Yes, and there's Popo.
Why is it Popo?
Popo the potato.
Really?
French fries, yeah. It's a French fries.
Oh!
Yeah, so it's kind of open so we can show you.
That's
Yeah.
okay. His
It's
hat. Yeah. It looks like the French fries on top.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're gonna assemble all of these in front of you.
Mm-hmm.
We'll be right back.
Yeah.
Let's start with
I was staring. I need to
Popo.
have energy for this building.
Okay. So each toy comes with stickers. We've already attached them. Why? Because I wanted to. So here. And his roof, which resembles a basketball.
The lines are.
And here's like the, what are these? Like the backdrop? No,
No. It's
the grass. There's Popo.
What you call that?
Popo.
No.
You can do that. And this one. So what you do is attach them just like any brick toy you have. So you can attach it like that.
Are they bricks?
Okay.
Lego.
Lego is a brand. It's a brick toy.
Brick toy.
Okay, there. So it's very, very easy to build.
You can just like
And
have a
there's-
mini town for yourself.
Popo. And you can attach each of these to make like to build a bigger down.
Bigger down.
Okay, so there's Moco.
I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna open another one.
I mean, this is already open.
Yeah,
Because
it's okay.
one of us wanted to attach the pictures. It's perfect. I'm not complaining.
Okay, I will attach. I will attach to this.
You can like place them together.
Yeah.
The size check. Yeah, so you know they can come knocking on the door.
So this is. Where's Turley?
Oh my god!
Where's
Wait.
Turley? Okay, I put it there.
We can actually do something like attach it like front to front so that they will be. Okay, never mind. Nothing.
That's how.
Wait, I will do it later.
Okay.
Okay, so gonna do yum. Because you know yum burgers, they're yummy. So
They don't have chicken.
which Jollibee? It's a B.
No, I mean, don't they have like a mascot for chicken? Yeah.
Ouch. Yeah.
Maybe they have. Or maybe they cook it up. Okay.
Yeah, we're not sure.
I'm not sure about that.
But like the instructions are printed on the plastic.
Yeah, on the plastic.
stick. So like it's quite easy as process. It's really kids.
There's the sticker
Oh,
which
that's
Ella will show you how to attach. Because apparently she wants to attach them.
Oh, that looks nice. It doesn't need a sticker because it looks like a
Hamburger.
yeah.
I want
So,
the
there you have
hamburger.
So oh,
Ooh.
break it down, yo.
Ooh.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Cool. So we can attach it here at the front. So that their houses are. But they won't. Our friends won't see it. So like,
Yeah,
I'm kidding. I just wanted to show it to you guys that you know you can do other stuff with the houses. But yeah.
You can build it any way you want to. Show them the sticker.
Okay, fine. There.
That's not a sticker.
Wait.
Wait. While you're sticking those stickers on that stickable thing, I'll get this other one.
You know what is
I'll
my
just open
favorite?
this.
What you call this? PS2 games before when I was a kid was Crabs.
I know you like crabs.
Yeah, I miss Crabs.
I don't.
They look weird
One
looking.
thing. Oh, yeah. You used... That was not your favorite game. You made us play that game for you.
Really?
Yeah. Me and your other cousin. You made us... Your cousin, boy cousin. You made us play it. And I had to bow out and then give it to your cousin. Because I'm older. So... he did it.
Okay.
Yeah, I enjoyed it.
Yeah. Cool.
I'm very sure. So this is Jollibee sticker, which I will be sticking up in front of the camera, but I will show you.
Anyway you want. Okay, I can't sing songs. Haha! Is this a pot? A hockey stick or something?
No, I don't think so.
Oops. Oh, what did you do?
It's a good thing we have two Jollibee.
You ripped it off?
I ripped half of it off.
Oh no! That wasn't a good stick, but yeah.
That was the good one.
Mine too.
Aww.
That's kind of fun.
It's okay, we have another one, but we'll still put this. Have to be careful of sticking these things.
My face is itchy. Ow!
jam. Have you guys ever tried Jollibee? Or is there a Jollibee food, fast food near your home?
Yeah. There.
And it has this Jollibee space in front.
Oh, there is.
Yeah.
I think he has the biggest house. Like, look at that.
Well, it's Jollibee.
Look at that. It's a mansion compared to them.
Yeah, compared to theirs. Okay.
It's 2-story. And like this is just like one.
Well, that's Jollibee's house here.
Jollibee. Is there a song for Jollibee?
7,000? No, all I can remember is their number, like the song before, 87,000 Jollibee delivery. But now it has like hashtag 87,000.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, they do deliver here. I think it's in the States they don't. Like some
Really?
some people they do like mukbangs of Jollibee and they have to travel, I think, an hour
Oh.
or more than an hour.
What I know is that in Canada, one of my friends,
Yeah.
he tried ordering 1-piece chicken and then he waited for 2 hours.
Oh.
Yeah, it's got but like they have like other food there that they don't have it here.
Yeah. I guess they have they do have like chicken burgers. Jollibee.
He looks like he's an old man. No, because his hand is on his tummy.
This is a Jollibee. If you haven't seen a bee that is
Jolly.
very jolly, this is what a jolly bee looks like.
I wonder why they decided it should be a bee.
I don't know. All I know is their food is delicious. And they have great toys. Okay, why can't you just stand in front of your...
I mean, okay, that's better. Yeah,
He's stuck.
he is.
I don't know. Yeah, oh, there you go.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, he can't be like
Sideways
sideways. Right?
because his
Okay.
feet are too big.
And that's another
Jollibee.
Jollibee. So we'll just put this on the side.
Yeah, and we have the last one. Kiddie.
Kiddie
For spaghetti. Okay, so we'll open it. And of course, the usual one. We have it here.
Okay, I'll attach it here.
And then
Next,
she
we
has
have
a big house.
Oh, that's so pretty.
She's the girly one.
Yeah.
Not that the other one isn't that girly. I mean, I think it's associated with girly. Okay, she has blonde hair. Yeah, I think I said that. Did I say it? I thought her hair was like brown
Yeah.
before. You know.
Well, I don't know
before-
why. Oh, they also sound like that.
And oh my gosh, I just can't get the sticker out. Wait just a second. Wait a second. There you go. There you go. There you go. Oops. It's quite loose, this one, compared to the other ones.
So you can build your own Jollitown.
Oh, it's called Jollitown? I didn't know.
I think so.
I mean, if you,
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
It's Jollitown blocks.
Okay. I thought that if you created that, that would be, what you call that, a good name.
They should really have like a Jollitown, like their very own. Because I know Jollibee's pretty popular.
I think Jollibee's popular because he's a people person.
He's a people person.
No, he shares joy.
He's a people bee.
I mean, his chicken's named Chicken Joy, so like, you know, he gives happiness to
chicken
people.
joy.
Can't wait to
chicken joy.
eat the Chicken Joy.
Yeah.
And some spaghetti.
I wanna eat the spaghetti.
Oops.
Do you guys love chicken and spaghetti as well? Yeah, I was concentrating. There you go. is a very pretty house.
It looks like a Minnie Mouse house because of the curve.
Yeah, the curve.
I've always wanted a curved door when I was a kid. Because that's really adorable.
Yeah.
Anyways, so there you have it all.
Yes. There's Champ, Twirly, and Popo.
Yeah.
Jollibee, or as some kids would call him, Jappy.
Yeah.
And Hetty Spaghetti.
Hers rhymed the best.
Yeah, Hetty Spaghetti. Okay, so guys, head on to Jollibee to buy these toys.
I mean, they're available for me. That's why we ordered them.
Yeah, that's why. So we hope that you like this, and please don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and what else? What should they comment? We've been asking them to comment a lot of things. Okay, comment down below if you like these and which one is your favorite
for Jollibee.
and also if you're craving for Jollibee.
Yeah, like we are because we're very hungry right now.
We don't have to crave that much. We can eat what we ordered. Okay,